Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on our computer. Tutorial 10, delete a plan. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications. Now scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now go to Planner. Let's wait for that to load. Click on Computer Science Videos. And so the purpose of this tutorial is to delete a plan. What we will do is create a new plan. If we navigate to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on New Plan. Let's make this a private plan. Let's just call this plan a trial. We can add a group description if we wish to, but for this tutorial, let's just create the plan as we will look to delete this plan, as that's what this tutorial is in regards to. So we have the plan on screen, and you may be wondering, how do I delete this plan? If I go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on the plan itself, the three dots, that will not allow us to delete the plan. Where can we navigate to in order to delete this plan? If I were to go to the three dots and then go to plan settings, if we scroll to the bottom where it says delete this plan of this navigation pane that we have with us, so general, group, notifications, go to general, delete this plan. You are about to permanently delete this plan and all of its tasks. I understand that the plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. That's fine, understand, delete. And now the plan that we created has now been deleted. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.